Welcome to Python Turtle Graphics tutorials. In this video, we will see that how we can draw this pattern in Turtle library. So after creating an empty file, we will import Turtle library. Now when we run our application and after the turtle has drawn the design, our pattern will close automatically. So to pause the screen, we have imported time library. Now we will create a function to draw the square, in which we will pass parameter t. Now we'll create a for loop for I in range 1 comma 5. It will go till 4 because last one is n minus 1. Now we will add t dot forward 150 means the turtle will cover a distance of 150, and after covering the distance of 150 it will change its direction, means its angle to 90. So when this for loop will run for first iteration, the turtle will cover a distance of 150, then its direction will change. Then for second iteration, it will cover a distance of 150 and its direction will change. So with this for loop, our whole square will be drawn. Now to create the design, the pattern, we will create another function. Define draw art. Now we will specify the background color of our screen, which is red, and the color of our drawing of our pen, turtle dot pen color, which is yellow. Now we will specify the thickness of the pen, turtle dot pen size, which is 4. Now we will write a speed with which the turtle will draw the design, turtle dot speed. Here 0 means fastest. Now we will create a for loop for I in range 1 comma 37. In this for loop, we will call our draw square function and we will pass turtle. Now we will specify the angle, the interval between two squares, turtle dot right, and now here see we have specified 1 comma 37 as the whole square is of 360 degree and with the interval of 10 degree. So to complete the whole design, we have created a for loop that will go till 36, and with the interval of 10 degree every square will be drawn. Now we will call our function draw art, and to pause the screen we will add time dot sleep for 10 seconds. Now we will run our application. So our code has run successfully and this pattern tilted squares has been drawn. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel.